Hey guys, Tech Made Easy. When I talk about tools, I don't know if you can hear my voice, but it just gets deeper and deeper. There's a level of excitement when I get to buy a new tool that really does a good job. Let me ask you a question. If you ever used a sawhorse before, would you buy one that doesn't have your back? I mean, seriously. Look, we all buy sawhorses, we all buy different tools, but sooner or later we try to upgrade them. Do you think for a second that this sawhorse is going to have my back supporting 1,300 pounds? Guys, it's not, right? I mean, I got this set for like $25, and it does its job. It does what it needs to do. But many of us work by ourselves. We need tools that are stable, that are strong, that are going to have our back. If you love tools, then you have clicked on the right video, because this is exciting to me. Finally, a super set of solid sawhorses. Say that quick enough. That can support 1,300 pounds each. And if you get two, you're talking 2,600 pounds. Guys, it's coming up. Get ready. So guys, as I said before, I love tools, especially ones that improve over time. Let me show you this guy here. Yep, check that out. It's nice and folded up, which is really cool. Now this is the C650, by the way. They do make a couple of models. They start off at the C300. Now this guy here supports up to 1,300 pounds, okay? And if you get two of them, you're gonna support up to 2,600 pounds, okay? Amazing, really, really nice. Good for home, good for a job site, which is really, really cool. Now, I want to go over some features. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to open it up. So number one, these are steel. There's no plastic involved. So we're talking steel here. They're powder coated, by the way. So it's got a heavy duty powder coat and zinc finish. So that's another thing as well. The handle that they actually have on it is really cool. If you got to carry these around, well guys, you've got a real easy handle to do that. Okay, so I like that. As you can see, it folds away real nice. I'm going to open it up, and I'm also going to show you how it folds as well. All right guys, so let's go ahead and open this and take a look at it. So just so you'll know, it's a two-step process to open it. First thing you need to do is push. It says open first, so you just push this in and pull out your leg, which, oh man, you're gonna be super impressed. All right, so we'll pull this guy out here. Okay, and then you go here. All you do is push this little button in. That's all, and your other leg will pop out. Oh man, I can't wait for you to see this. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna show you some close-ups. But 1, 2. Obviously, with the camera, it's a little more difficult, guys. But now, all you do is spread the legs. Okay, same thing, both sides. All right, again with the camera, a little more difficult. Okay, now, as you can see here, these lock in. So you just want to put these guys down. But these guys are built to last. Now that is, I think, right on its lowest setting. Okay, so just so you'll know, this is height adjustable. So let's make sure, so let me grab my measuring tape, and what I'll do is I'm going to measure the height right now. We can see how tall this guy is from the ground up. So we are at 25 inches, guys. Okay, from the floor up, we're at 25 inches on the lowest setting. Let's go ahead and lift this all the way up. Now, to do that, all you have to do is open these guys up on all four sides and lift up. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side first, and then I'll do the other side. All right, let's do maximum. There. This side, not bad. Honestly, they drop down. They kind of click as they go down. Okay. All right, guys. Now we are at its highest setting. All right. And we are at 32 inches. Okay. Look at that. That's a nice 45 bucks each, worth every penny. All right. Let's continue to go over some features. Okay, guys, this also has support to hold wood up, you know. So if you ever want to like lay wood on its side, maybe work on it, all you do is drop these latches down and you have them on both sides of the sawhorse, okay? So as you can see, you can lay up to 80 pounds of wood. And again, they're not included on this side. Okay, so up to 80 pounds of wood. And all you do is just lay it right on there. All right. So here is a great example of how this gentleman is using the support pegs, right? He just took a nice piece of wood, laid them on the support pegs, and he's able to use a circular saw in a convenient position to do what he needs to do. All right. So let's take a good look at the pivoting feet here. All right. I'll give you a nice close-up. They're made very well. You know, it's got nice rubber. As you can see, I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, so, you know, real solid, very well made. And let's also take a look at the locking mechanism as well. So let me drop this down and show you the locking mechanism. I want you to see a close-up of how this actually works. You know, again, just views you might not be able to get. But as you can see, that's steel, okay? And it just slides right into those peg hooks. And those peg hooks actually have holes. So they are made very, very well, as you can see. I'm pretty impressed with my hands on. Not bad at all. Guys, here is a look at underneath the legs, just so you could see how this thing really grabs on with the steel, and how well it's built inside. You know, so just, I know for those of you that are very detail oriented, all right, there it goes, pretty solid. All right, and then obviously once you close the legs, you know, these guys will go in. One of the things you can do when you take two of these sawhorses is you can create a job site table. Okay, and as you can see, the C650 supports 2x4. Again, the C700 will either support 2x4s or 4x4s. Here is a picture with an example of the C650 with, you know, being used as a job site table. All right, guys, so if you know my channel, you know me. I like to be detailed. So let's give you some information. The model number is TBC650 for this specific one. It sells for $45. 100% high-grade steel. All right. The C650 model can handle up to 1,300 pounds each, and a pair 2,600 pounds. The 2x4 inserts create support arms. You saw that. This thing folds super easy. The pivoting feet are durable. The material support pegs support 80 pounds. As you can see, the adjustable height on the low and the high is listed there. The weight on this is 19.29 pounds. The warranty is listed as limited lifetime, and it is constructed from powder-coated and zinc-plated steel. All right, guys, so I just wanted to pull this up for you so you can actually see the comparison. The C650 that I am reviewing today is the second best model. Anything better is the C700. And you know, one of the main differences with the C700 is it can support not only 2x4s, but 4x4s. And I will put up an image right now so you can see what that looks like, okay? That was one of the biggest features that I saw. And that's kind of it. Okay, the C300 goes for like $29. I'm going to put links in the description for that. I'll put links in the description for the C650 as well, and maybe one or two other models. I mean, these are solid. I'm going to go back to looking at it. I mean, check that out. In comparison to these flimsy guys, you know, it's just not going to work. Look, these have their place, right? But I mean, I'd spend 40 bucks more, 50 bucks more on a set of these. And that's what I did. I mean, look, I bought these for myself. You know, you're talking solid, okay? Real solid. So let's move these boys aside. Yeah, again, nice handle. Nice handle, which is good. Steel. Got the material up top for non-slip. I love them. I'm excited. And I also picked up my DEWALT toolbox. I don't know if you've seen these guys, but I'm going to do a review on this. It'll be a quick one, but just to tease you, basically all you do with these guys, and I don't even think I have to open these handles, but I'm going to actually tell you the truth. You just lift this up and check this out. Watch the magic. Oh my God, I'm in love. Look at that. Do you see what just happened? Solid, very inexpensive mobile toolbox for job sites and even for home. So yeah, anyway, let's get back to this. My review on that will be coming up. But guys, I hope you like this review. Give us a thumbs up, okay, if you could. I know I don't have wood to pull out and show you, but I did want to at least go over the product and just kind of let you know also about the other models. So give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate that. I hope you liked the video. If you're new to the channel, click the Tech Made Easy logo on the upper right-hand corner. Click subscribe, join the family. You'll see Brooklyn on our channel, my yellow lab. Don't forget to hit the bell. You'll get notified of new videos, and I'll put some other videos up here as well, okay? Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.